Oh, Nan, why did you sell your soul to the devil?
Karen will never be declared innocent. At best, she's going to be declared not guilty. And that basically...
Do you understand why, Nan? If she were actually factually innocent, she could be declared innocent. It does happen in America where when people are innocent, they can be declared innocent and or have their charges dropped. She is not innocent. So you're right. She will never be declared innocent. The best she will get is not going to prison, but she will absolutely 150 million% be found guilty in her civil case. And I hope you do too. I hope people sue you too. On here still talking about how you think they should still be dragging a teenage boy through the mud. You are one sick lady.
Means that the Commonwealth did not prove or satisfy its burden to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that a crime or these different layers of crime were committed.
They have proven every single thing except one prong, Nan. One prong, and that's coming up. Hopefully this week we'll see the accident reconstructionist, the medical. Hopefully they did find the ring video. We should get the car data. I strongly suspect we're going to find that Karen went back and saw John lying right where she left him before she went to Jen's. So then what's your lie going to be then, Nan? She drove by looking for him and she didn't see him. What happens when her car data shows she got out of the car? There's some lady on here on the I Don't Belong Here channel talking about she does not believe the car data. She's literally saying that she will not even acknowledge the car data because it's bullshit. So the fact that there's hard data from the black box in a vehicle that nobody can manipulate, she's just ignoring it. She's admitting she's ignoring it. She's also identified that Karen Read is a narcissist, but fails to recognize that she's a psychopath and fails to recognize the negative traits of narcissism and what that could mean in the mind of somebody that can do things like this. And not only did she take John's life, but she has tortured his family, his friends, and community. She has victimized innocent people. And she has 1 billion people on the internet bullying and victimizing the victims every night. Does it make you feel good, Nan?
So she's never going to be named as an innocent person. And I feel like people like Brennan who are wearing on one side of their head the prosecutor cap, on the other side of their head they're wearing the defense attorney cap. You know what he should be doing? He should be staunchly standing up for the principles of the United States Constitution and give her the fair trial, present all of the evidence fairly. Don't hide it. Don't hide metadata. Make excuses. Don't do any of that. Give her, not the Commonwealth, her the constitutional right to a fair trial that she's entitled to.
Oh, Nan, if you don't see how fair of a trial she's getting, then you are not even as intelligent as I've given you credit for. Not even close. If you don't see how defense-friendly Judge Cannoni is, then you are completely delusional. A fair trial means a fair trial. Letting in experts that have literally been proven to be lying to the court, proven, factually proven. ARCA, factually proven to have lied to the court. Richard Green, factually proven to be lying to the court. Dr. Marie Russell, anybody with common sense can plainly see that she's lying to the court. It hasn't really been proven. I don't know if you can prove that so much other than just completely discrediting her. Judge Cannoni's allowing them back in her courtroom to now lie again to a second jury. That's not fair. That's not fair for the citizens of the United States of America. We, as the public, also have a right to a fair trial. John's family, friends, and community also have the right to a fair trial. We have the right to a fair trial to prosecute murderers and people who commit heinous crimes, and to hold all of the evidence against them, and to not allow lies into a court of law. I don't understand how anybody with any common sense can look at these facts and say, oh yeah, these guys are really good at their job and Karen Read is factually innocent. Notice how it's shifted now to, oh, Commonwealth can't prove their case, right? Oh, you wait. We've got hard data already out. And I have a feeling this week is going to be a lot more. And you wait until John's, I don't know if his nephew or niece are going to testify. There's rumors that they are. And we know what was said last time. And it was not good for Karen. Even though some very biased journalists like Sue O'Connell want to change words and create fake facts and simp for a murderer. I don't understand it. I don't understand why you want to endanger your community. It's pretty disgusting. Karen Read and her attorneys and her family are very dangerous people. I feel very sorry for anybody who has been victimized by this innocence fraud campaign. That is all. Short and sweet. Love and light to everyone. Mwah.